Kali Linux, a name synonymous with cybersecurity. It's a toolkit for the good, the bad, and the security conscious. When we delve into the realm of cybersecurity, one name that comes up quite often is Kali Linux. So, why is Kali Linux so significant in this field? Well, it's essentially the Swiss Army knife of cybersecurity. It's a versatile tool packed with hundreds of security testing tools that are conveniently pre-installed and ready to run. It's the go-to for cybersecurity professionals, be they ethical hackers, penetration testers, or information security analysts. Ethical hackers use Kali Linux as their primary tool for finding vulnerabilities in systems. They emulate the strategies of malicious hackers, but with the noble intention of identifying weak spots and patching them up before they can be exploited. Penetration testers, on the other hand, use Kali Linux to simulate cyber attacks on their own systems. The idea is to probe and prod the system in the same way a malicious entity might, in order to identify and rectify potential vulnerabilities. Moreover, Kali Linux is a preferred choice for cybersecurity due to its open source nature, allowing for customization and modification to suit specific needs. It's not just a tool, it's a platform that can be tailored to perform specific tasks, making it a dynamic and flexible asset in the cybersecurity toolbox. But it's not just about the tools. Kali Linux also provides a powerful and robust environment for cybersecurity tasks. Its Linux kernel offers stability, and its compatibility with a wide range of hardware makes it universally applicable. So whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast looking to dip your toes into the world of ethical hacking, or a seasoned professional seeking a robust platform for your security tasks, Kali Linux can provide the tools and environment you need. In the world of cybersecurity, Kali Linux is not just a tool, it's a universe of possibilities. Setting up Kali Linux is like preparing your arsenal before a battle. Let's make sure you're ready for what's ahead. First things first, you need to download the Kali Linux ISO image from the official website. It's always a good idea to grab the latest version to ensure you're equipped with the most recent tools and updates. Once you have the ISO, you'll need to burn it to a DVD or create a bootable USB stick. There are plenty of free tools available online to help you with this. Next, you'll need to restart your computer and boot it from the USB or DVD where you've stored Kali Linux. This will lead you to the Kali Linux boot screen. Here, you'll want to select Graphical Install for a user-friendly installation process. Now, follow the prompts. Choose your preferred language, location, and keyboard layout. When you reach the networking settings, you'll be asked to set up a hostname for your system. This is essentially the name of your computer on the network. You can pick anything you like, but remember to keep it simple and memorable. Next up is partitioning your disk. If you're new to all this, the easiest option is to go with guided, use entire disk. This will automatically set up the partitions for you. If you're a little more tech savvy and want to customize your partitions, feel free to do so. After partitioning, you'll set a root password. This is the master password for your system, so make it strong and don't forget it. You'll then be asked to install the Grub bootloader. Say yes here. This will help your system boot Kali Linux. Finally, the installation process will begin. This might take a while, so sit back and relax. Once it's done, you'll be able to boot directly into your new Kali Linux system. Your first step should be to check for updates by opening a terminal and typing sudo apt-get update. This ensures you have the latest security patches and software updates. With Kali Linux installed and configured, you're one step closer to mastering cybersecurity. Commands in Kali Linux are like spells in a wizard's book. Master them and you'll control the magic of cybersecurity. Let's start with the basics. The commands that will be your bread and butter as you navigate the world of Kali Linux. These are the commands that you'll use daily, the ones that will become second nature to you as you delve deeper into the vast ocean of cybersecurity. First off, let's talk about navigating file directories. Our trusty guide for this journey is the CDA command, short for change directory. This command lets you move around the file system with ease. For instance, if you want to move into a folder named Documents, you simply type cd documents, and this will take inside the Documents folder. Next up, we have the LSA command. This is like your flashlight in the dark labyrinth of folders and files. Type ls, and it will list out all the files and directories in your current location. It's a simple command, but one that you'll find yourself using frequently. Now, what if you want to create a new file or edit an existing one? That's where Touch and Nano come into play. Touch is used to create a new file. Just type Touch followed by the name of the file you want to create. For example, Touch new file.txt will create a new text file named new file. Nano, on the other hand, is a text editor that allows you to open and edit files. To open a file, you type Nano followed by the name of the file. Once you're done editing, you can save and exit with a simple combination of keys Ctrl+X then Y to confirm. But what about keeping your system up to date? After all, in an ever-evolving field like cybersecurity, staying updated is key. For this, Kali Linux has the apt-get update and apt-get upgrade commands. The apt-get update command updates your list of packages, while apt-get upgrade installs the latest versions of the packages you have. Think of these two commands as your daily news update in the world of Kali Linux. They ensure you're working with the latest tools and features, keeping you one step ahead in the cybersecurity game. Remember, these commands are just the basic building blocks. Once you've mastered these, there's a whole array of advanced commands and tools waiting for you to explore. These basic commands may seem simple, but they're the foundation upon which everything else is built. These commands are just the beginning, but they're crucial to navigate the vast ocean of Kali Linux. In Kali Linux, tools are your weapons, each designed for a unique battle in the cybersecurity world. Let's begin with Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer. It's like a microscope for your network, letting you peer into the very depths of your data traffic. With Wireshark, you can capture and interactively browse the traffic running on your network. It's a go-to tool for network troubleshooting, analysis, software, and communications protocol development. Moving on, meet Metasploit, a penetration testing software that's a must-have in the toolkit of every ethical hacker. It's a powerful tool that allows you to identify vulnerabilities in your systems and networks. With Metasploit, you can simulate attacks to find weak spots in your security before the bad guys do. It's like a cybersecurity gym where you can flex your hacking muscles without breaking any laws. And then there's Nmap or Network Mapper. It's an open source utility for network discovery and security auditing. Nmap uses raw IP packets to find out what hosts are available on a network, what services those hosts are offering, what operating systems they are running, what type of packet filters or firewalls are in use, and dozens of other characteristics. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals all the secrets of a network. Last but not least, let's not forget about AirCrackIng, a complete suite of tools to assess Wi-Fi network security. This toolset allows you to monitor, attack, test, and crack. It's the Swiss Army knife of Wi-Fi security and a vital tool in the arsenal of any cybersecurity enthusiast. These tools, though just a few among hundreds, are the pillars of any cybersecurity task in Kali Linux. They're your swords and shields in the digital world, helping you protect your networks and systems from cyber threats. So dive in, explore, and master these tools, because in the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is your greatest weapon. Our dive into the world of Kali Linux and cybersecurity has just skimmed the surface. We've explored the significance of Kali Linux in the realm of cybersecurity, a tool widely used by professionals for its robust features and capabilities. It's clear that understanding and leveraging this powerful operating system can be a game changer in your cybersecurity journey. We've walked through the process of installing and configuring Kali Linux, setting the foundation for your exploration. The basic commands we've discussed are your stepping stones, the fundamental building blocks for navigating this system. The tools in Kali Linux, each with their unique capabilities, are your arsenal in the cybersecurity battlefield. They allow you to probe, analyze, and protect in a way that's unparalleled. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, in the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is your best defense. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more insights into the world of Kali Linux and cybersecurity. Until next time, stay secure.